keyboard replacement, heatsink fan replacement, and battery replacement on HP Pavilion 15, AB222 INX laptop. Thank you to Sir Miko for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Removing the plastic locks on the metal cover of the keyboard, replacing a keyboard secured by plastic locks underneath can be a delicate task. These locks typically necessitate careful disassembly, often involving the destruction of the locks to remove the keyboard. While this process requires attention to detail and patience, feasible with proper tools and technique. However, ensuring the compatibility of the replacement keyboard and exercising caution during disassembly are critical to prevent damage to the laptop. If uncertain, consulting a professional repair service is advisable for a successful replacement after testing the new keyboard. The functionalities we proceed in installing it. Soldering the plastic locks, soldering the new keyboard back into place can indeed present challenges, particularly for individuals lacking soldering skills or the necessary equipment. Achieving secure and reliable solder joints requires precision and care to avoid damaging the keyboard or other components on the laptops. Due to the technical complexity involved, it's often recommended to seek assistance from experienced technicians or professional repair services to ensure a successful installation. We unpack the new heatsink fan and we install it. Replacing the heatsink fans in your laptop is essential if they are no longer spinning. Without proper cooling, your laptop may experience overheating, leading to performance issues and potential hardware damage. While the cost of replacement should be considered, ensuring the functionality and longevity of your laptop justifies the investment in new heatsink fans. Whether you choose to perform the replacement yourself or seek professional assistance, restoring proper cooling is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your laptop. Now we put the new battery, keyboard replacement, heatsink, fan replacement, and battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.